Next, let's add and connect a water sensor. Be sure to select a location for the sensor where it is easily accessible and not exposed to moisture or extreme temperatures. For water detection, the sensor should be placed on the floor. To program the sensor using the browser, select Menu and then press Settings. In Settings Selector, make sure Sensors is chosen. Under Select Sensor to configure, select To Sensor or the next unassigned position. Next, name sensor by typing the desired name into the sensor name field. For example, laundry room, basement, or kitchen sink. For sensor type, select to 24-hour audible. And for sensor options, select 12 water leakage. The area group can be left defaulted to one area group. Press Learn in the browser. Then, with the flood freeze sensor, quickly tap a magnet to the raised indicator on the side of the sensor. Note, leaving the magnet near the indicator for longer than 1 second will program the sensor as a freeze sensor. The hub will find the sensor and capture the serial ID, then press Save.